Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new to this channel, good to have you guys join us. If you like this video after watching through, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell to get notified of similar content in the near future. While I know some of you guys have been waiting for this, I am just as excited as you. Today we have a McGrath Midnight Sun tutorial. I feel like enough time had passed since I got McGrath last December and now, so this is really very much overdue. I've said before in another McGrath video that I actually like Midnight Sun or enjoy Midnight Sun more than Bronze Seduction. That's right, that's right. I've been using McGrath here and there, combining it with different palettes, combining with Natasha Denona palettes, a Viseart palette. You saw last week a video of where I combined Nocturnal Nirvana, the Blitz Astral Quad from McGrath with Midnight Sun to create a look. And today it's just all McGrath. They have some really wonderful colors and shades in the palette. When you look at this, it might not jump out to you immediately how these colors might all jive together. And to be honest, when I saw it online, when I got it at Christmas time, I did not know either how I was going to put all of this together. Frankly, I really haven't done enough experimentation to really do the palette justice, but what I have tried, the colors I've used, whether it's just one shade combined with another from a different palette or a few shades to create a Midnight Sun only look, it always turns out very beautifully. So today, to match my dress, this kind of army green, I've used these four, primarily these four colors here. This is Extreme Dusk, Taboo, Wicked Envy, and Bronze Eclipse to create this look. And I gotta say, it's just so comfortable. Like, they all just complement each other. It's very comfortable to look at. It's interesting, but it's probably something that I might even wear to work. So it's not so extreme that I can't possibly wear this to work. So let me do some quick swatches of the shadows here. Let's start with Bronze Eclipse, metallic shade, very buttery, very easy to work with. You'll see in a moment here that I actually end up applying it all over the lid. That's how easy it is to work with. And then next is Wicked Envy. Also very easy to work with. And next we have Taboo, the only matte shade used today, but you can see here the similarities and how well they go along with each other. And then finally we have Extreme Dusk. Oh, I'm sorry. Taboo is not the only matte shade we're working with here. Extreme Dusk is the other matte shade. So there are two that I use for today's look. And this is Extreme Dusk. I would say it's a deep brown with a hint of red in it. And then finally, for good measure of adding some texture to the look, and I love adding the special shades from McGrath's palettes. I use Jubilee here, this gold color, and use it as a eyeshadow topper. Well, I will see you guys after the tutorial. So we're going to start first with a crease brush, and I'm going to add Bronze Eclipse all over the lid. Next, using the same brush, we're going to go into Wicked Envy and apply that towards the bottom to the middle of the lid. And we're going to put a good amount of that shade. Then with the mini booster, we're going to add Taboo to the crease. Now using Mini Booster again, we're going to go into Extreme Dusk, add that to the outer corners, And then taking the Jumbo Blender, we're going to blend out the color in the crease so that everything looks more blended. And because I want Wicked Envy to be more visible, I'm going to now go back and pack it on to the lid. So taking a look at everything here, I want there to be more of a transition between Extreme Dusk and Wicked Envy. So going in with the crease brush from earlier, I'm going to dab it into Wicked Envy and then Extreme Dusk. Get the excess off, and now I'm going to add that sort of transition here so they look more seamless. I'm going to add foundation, concealer, and contour, and we'll be back for the finishing touches. All right, now we're going to take the soft shader brush and we're going to add Jubilee to the lid, just a swipe. Not too much because I want the focus to be on Wicked Envy. If you would like more sparkly, more gold to the eye look, you can go back for a second and third application. You can see now with the second application, it's really getting to be pretty blingy. Okay. Taking the mini booster, we're going to go into Taboo, and we're going to apply that on the lower lash line. Using the other side of the soft shader, we're going to dab it into Skin Show Moon Glow and apply that to the brow bone. And to the inner corners. And then with the flat definer, we're going to add Wicked Envy as a tight line to this part of the eye. Let's add some gel liner. This is the finished look. I hope this tutorial inspired you to create your own looks with Midnight Sun. I might just do a comparison video between Midnight Sun and Bronze Seduction, simply just to find out what is it about Midnight Sun that I really gravitate towards too. And when I saw Midnight Sun online, I actually didn't end up ordering it. I ended up getting Bronze Seduction. It was my husband who actually ordered Midnight Sun and gave it to me as a Christmas gift. So I think he did good there. This was unexpected and was totally a surprise that I'm happy to share with you. Well, I will see you guys on the next one. Take care, stay safe.